I gotta change the side mirror. I'm putting this in because my old lady's a shitty driver. Let's see if I can get lucky and take the cover of mine off, because driving with one black is gonna force me to buy another one. I think I should be able to get this off. You need a drink? Go get you a drink. I don't want to snap it in just yet. Let's get this shit on there. Where are those little nuts? 1, 2, 3. All right. Like all the other good YouTubers, you didn't have to take this whole door down. I just, like a jackass, I forgot I had a screw here and a screw here, so I had pried it. I just couldn't get the plug out. if I would have been able to get the plug out, I would have just left it with, I had wedged this inside there. That would have been enough room to get up in here and do what I had to do. But I forgot about them 2 bolts, and I didn't want to break nothing, so I just did it the right way. Anyway, look at that. I had it on my damn sock. No, I didn't. Anyway, 8mm or 5/16. That's these right here. And I think they gave me the one without the heating, because it only has one connection, whereas the other one I had 2. I really didn't use that heating shit anyway. At least I didn't think I did. Now, you know, I ain't got good eyesight. Fucking not having a mirror sucks. And my old lady, she ain't have a mirror. Now I got to change out the front passenger quarter panel over here because she hit something. I was going to upgrade the headlights anyway, but now I got to. And between her and her sister, one of them bent the subframe. I used to baby this car and take care of it. You know, like 80,000 miles on a 2012. Barely got any runtime on the engine. But oh well, you know. I could have got my old lady a Toyota, but my parents gave me a truck, so I decided to work and get that truck running good, and I gave her this. This is hers, even though I ain't put it in her name. And she sure does throw that shit in my face, like, you didn't put it in my name, that's messed up, you know, you don't love me. Bitch, I gave you my pride and joy. You know what I'm saying? I still got my kids' baby shoe in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I love this vehicle. This was like my first vehicle. Oh shit, I think I might have to put this on before I did all of that, huh? What a jack leg. Boy, I should bust you in your freaking...
What?
You broke... I'm telling Mama you broke a car. That's hot. It's backwash. You gave me nothing. You want to be a good son and go get me something to drink? Go ahead. Go get me one. Well, yeah, you should give me a cigarette too, because I thought I brought those. Yeah, I got my cigarettes. He's a good kid. That's not getting me a drink. I hope y'all learned something. Don't follow what I do. See, I took it apart before. All these like, man, you went and bought yourself nice speakers. I ain't got no tweeters. These were like $100 and something a piece when I bought them 3 years ago. She got them in every door. All I did was buy 4 speakers. She got 6 speakers. One here, and this one, that one, 2 in the back, and a 15. Women, they don't understand how spoiled they could be and demanding. Oh well. That's what we get in relationships and marriage. Not an easy feat by any means. I hope I have it in right. doing, crazy boy? I have one more, right? Put on this. What you looking for? There's no food in this house. Ain't no food in there, boy. Stop kicking me. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. Stay.
689 for your free Honda submission kit. Again, 800-501-3689. Back to the news best hits of music. Here's another one of today's hottest hits.
Alright, let's see if she works. Oh, snap. Up. Down. Yep. I fixed it. Alright. Not too hard. A non-mechanically inclined cat like me could do it. What is that light on? You hit shit, she don't destroy shit. Even though I don't, she's always gonna be destroying shit because this. She's blind, she's lazy, like really lazy. Like she'd rather not put on her turning signal because it's too much work. This. Women, I tell you, not every woman's like that. She has great qualities in her. I'm still trying to figure out what they are, but I'm sure she has them in her. But that's my one and only, and I'll let her fucking tear up all my vehicles and I'll keep fixing them because it gives me something to do. Till the next one. Peace. That's the one we did right there. Matching set.